Farmers who have been reeling under the impact of the recent spell of unseasonal rain and hailstorms have been extended a glimmer of hope by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's announced a landmark change in the norms for input subsidy, which will benefit all those farmers whose crops have been damaged by nature's inconsistency.
देश में आजादी के बाद सबसे बड़ा निर्णय पहली बार हुआ है 50% को हमने 33% लाना, और दूसरा महत्वपूर्ण जो आजादी के बाद आज तक इतना बड़ा जंप नहीं लगाया है, किसानों को मदद करने में हम इतना बड़ा जंप इस बार लगा रहे हैं, और आज उसको जो मदद करने के सारे पैरामीटर्स हैं उसको अब 1.5 गुना कर दिया जाएगा.
The Prime Minister has promised additional help to all the affected farmers. He's also directed insurance companies to settle their claims at the earliest.
उस समय है जबकि उसको फसल लेकर के बाजार में जाना था, एक प्रकार से उसके नोटों का बंडल ही जल गया, उस प्रकार का हम कह सकते हैं. इतना बड़ा उसके पूरा पसीना बहाया हुआ यह हालत हुई है. और इसलिए हमने इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को भी आदेश किया है कि बहुत ही प्रोएक्टिव होकर के उनकी तुरंत मदद की जाए. बैंकों को हमने आदेश किया है कि बैंक भी उनके जो कर्ज हैं उनके संबंध में किस प्रकार से रिस्ट्रक्चर करें ताकि उनको इस संकट से बाहर लाया जाए.
The Prime Minister stressed that farmers have had to bear significant losses due to natural causes. Farmers incurred losses last year due to deficient rains. This year they have been hit by unseasonal rain and hailstorms. Prime Minister said increased compensation will burden the exchequer further, but it is more important to help distressed farmers. The decision to enhance compensation has been taken after the submission of the report by the Nitin Gadkari-led team of ministers who were sent by the Prime Minister to interact with farmers in affected areas. The centre has got in touch with state governments after the Prime Minister's announcement to ensure changes are made in the compensation parameters and emergency funds are utilized.
लेकिन राज्य सरकार को करना है और उसके पास पैसे हैं. दूसरा जो अतिवृष्टि आज तक राष्ट्रीय आपदा की सीमा में नहीं आता था, तो वो भी हमने राज्यों को 14वें वित्त आयोग की अनुशंसा के बाद कहा है कि आपके पास एसडीआरएफ का जो फंड है उसमें 10% की राशि जो स्थानीय आपदा है उसको भी राष्ट्रीय आपदा मानकर उसमें सहायता करें.
The opposition has also expressed concern over the plight of farmers and has called for an all-party meet over the issue. The government has, however, said that it is doing the utmost to help the farmers and the issue should not be politicized. The wet spell during the last few weeks has caused extensive loss to farmers. Agriculture Minister Radha Mohan Singh had informed on Monday that rabi crops over 113 lakh hectares area have been affected and production of maize this year could be reduced by 4 to 5%. Apart from the Prime Minister's announcement, the Reserve Bank too has followed suit in providing relief to farmers, instructing banks to restructure farm loans. With Ajay Mishra in Delhi, News Night Desk, DD News.